What's up, guys? So today I want to teach you how you can make up to $100 to $200 daily on a Roku app. If this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when next we drop videos like this. So, like I earlier said, I will be teaching you how you can go about making up to $100 to $200 within a day, within 24 hours. This is no joke. This is really real, and I have tried it and it works a lot. So I feel like let me share this idea with you guys. If this is your first time of hearing of Roqqu, Roqqu is a platform that helps people trade their cryptocurrency, regardless the cryptocurrency, USDT, Bitcoin, regardless. You can trade your Bitcoin, your USDT on the platform. You can buy and sell actually. I would advise you to head straight to the description below this video to click on the link I provided to register an account on Roqqu. And once you're done with that, then you are good to go to earn some cool cash to your bank account. So without further ado, let me head straight to the screen and teach you how to go about it. So I do believe by now you should have downloaded the app on your mobile phone. So what we'll do now is we'll open the app. We'll open the app. You must have registered an account before you can do this, right? So I will just log in. I will log in. So once you log in, let me walk you through how this whole thing works. So you can see that this is a platform that helps people with their cryptocurrency by buying and selling. So, but we are not here to buy and sell a cryptocurrency. You don't really need to have a dime before you earn with this whole idea. So once you're logged into your Roqqu account, this is how it appears. This is what you will see. So all what you'll do is you head straight to profile. So once you get to the profile, the next thing you will do is you scroll down to the button where you see refer a friend. So when you click on refer a friend, you will see that with this option, with this feature, you can earn as high as $10 per friend that you invite. Don't worry, I know you're at this point you're worried about how you will go about getting to invite people. It's not a difficult thing. I'll also teach you how you can go about getting people to invite to the platform without stressing yourself by telling people one-on-one. Okay, so we're going to be using a platform to talk about this Roqqu app, and once you drop your link, people will start registering with your link, and you don't have to even know them before you earn from this whole thing. So what you will do is, before you do anything, you need to click on share your code below this, and when you do this, you'll be able to click on copy. I'm using an iPhone, so the interface may be different if you are using an Android device. So once you've copied the code, you can now share this code with your friends on WhatsApp. You can mail someone with the link for them to register, and with this you will get $10 when the person verifies his or her account successfully on the app. So, but let's say for instance you don't want to go through the process of inviting friends one-on-one, and you want to have this done in one click by just talking about the platform and dropping your link, and from there people will start registering with your refer link. All what you will do is, for the sake of this video, to get people to do this, we'll be using a platform called Nairaland. This Nairaland platform is a forum whereby people get to discuss and talk about a whole lot of things, regardless what you want to talk about. It welcomes anything, any topic at all. So we're going to be using the platform to market your refer link. Okay, to market your refer link, and people will start registering with your refer link, and you make reasonable amounts. So let's head straight to Nairaland. So guys, we'll be talking about how we can actually promote our link on Nairaland. So let's open our Chrome browser. So let's type nairaland.com. Nairaland.com. So you have to open an account, create an account if you are new to Nairaland. So once you've created an account on Nairaland, so all what you do is you look for a category that fits what you want to talk about. So let's say for instance, we want to talk about cryptocurrencies. We want to talk about how you can make money online. So we'll look for a category that matches it a lot. So let's go to science and technology. So under science and technology, you can see phones, computer technology market. So we'll go for technology market. So from here, we'll click on create new topic. You see create new topic. You click create new topic. So from here, you can say something. You can say in the subject, you say, I will teach you how to make money, how to make $200 in a week. So you now take your time to write something sweet, something interesting that will entice them to click on your link. Let's say, for instance, I did say, I have a website that will pay you $200 within a week. So you can just write some other things. So once you're done writing something lengthy, please make sure you are very detailed. You are very detailed to avoid Nairaland banning your account. When you present yourself to be a spammer, they will ban your account. So write something more lengthy and more detailed. So at the bottom of the article, you can now say, join Roqqu here. Then you provide your link. From here, you now provide your link. Okay, so once you provide your link, you now click on submit, and that is all. So once you've clicked on submit, it means you've successfully promoted it, and you then from that end you start waiting for people to register to your link and start making money. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified when next we drop videos like this. Thank you for your time, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.